How to fix GOG Galaxy high disk usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Software that is out of date can contain bugs or inefficiencies that lead to high disk usage. Updating GOG Galaxy ensures you have the latest fixes and performance enhancements. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering each command, restart your system, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, chkdsk can scan for and fix file system errors or bad sectors on your hard disk, which might be causing high disk usage. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. If that didn't work, Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.